Piggy! Is something on my head?
Yes.
Yes!
Come here.
There is a bird on your head.
There's a bird on my head? Is there a bird on my head now?
That's Mrs. Herbster. Oh, so.
No.
Okay. Herbster is Mrs. Herbster's.
Now there are two birds on your head.
No.
What are two birds doing on my head?
They're in love.
Birds on my head are in love? Lovebirds?
Oh my God.
How do you know they're lovebirds?
He has an iPhone. But I don't even have that. I wonder. Maybe it's not the baby.
They are making a
That's
nest.
his mom's husband.
Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why would two birds want to make a nest on my head? I'm afraid to ask.
Oh, no. Yeah, I know. I saw. Once I done.
Do I have an egg on my head?
Oh, that's 3 eggs.
So,
Yes, we do.
1, 2,
And
3! You have 3 eggs on your head!
I do not want 3 eggs on my head!
You want one? I want
And I have good news.
The eggs are gone?
The eggs are hatching!
Hatching! The eggs on my head are hatching?
Can you guys be birds? They have hatched.
Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head!
Birds and a nest. And I'm happy about that.
I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head!
Where do you want to put it?
On your mouth?
Somewhere else!
Anywhere.
Ask them to go somewhere else.
Ask them?
Ask them.
Okay. I will try asking.
Okay.
Senta aqui, rápido.
Excuse me, birds?
Senta rápido.
Will you please go somewhere else?
Aqui.
No problem.
It worked!
Of course it works.
Now there are no birds on my head! Thank you, Piggy! Thank you very much!
You are welcome.